Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, in order to solve the given expression, or rather we can say in order to expand the given expression, we must know the formula of a minus b whole cube. So a minus b whole cube is given by a cube minus of b cube minus of 3a square b plus 3ab square. Upon comparing a minus b whole cube with 4 minus y whole cube, we see a equals 4 and b equals y. So a will be equals 4 and b equals y. Now simply using this formula, in place of a you put 4 and in place of b you put y. Therefore 4 minus y whole cube will be equals 4 cube minus of y cube minus of 3 multiplied by 4 square multiplied by y plus 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by y square. So this will be 4 cube will become 64, then we have minus of y cube, then 4 square is 16, 16 multiplied by 3 is 48, so minus of 48y plus 12y square. Okay, so let's rearrange the terms. So 64 minus of 48y plus 12y square minus of y cube will be our required answer. So how we have arranged the terms? We have arranged the terms in the ascending order of the degree. So this term over here has degree equals 0, this has degree equals 1, 2, and this last term has degree equals 3. So let's check the options. So option D will be the correct answer. So option D is our required final answer. Thank you.